look closer because you're going to love this one. Now, what if I told you that I designed this entire website with one single prompt in less than 2 minutes? Now, I found this AI agent tool that does almost everything you can ever imagine, everything you can ever think of. Whether you are a student, you're trying to do your project work, you're trying to do your research work, or you work in an office where you do a lot of presentations, or maybe you're just looking for ways to make money online, then this tool is one magical tool that you need to understand how it works. And the one that blows me away is that it gives you 500 credits every single day. So you get to do a lot of work every day without even having to pay for it. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. To get started, all you have to do is come over to your browser and visit Skywork.ai. Now, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so you can get to it. Now, once it opens, here you can see sign up as a new user within the limited time to get 500 credits. Now, how cool is this? You're going to get 500 credits instantly once you sign up. Now, this is mind-blowing. Now, I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Gmail account. Now, this AI tool is completely different from ChatGPT, it's different from Google Gemini because it automates everything that you can ever think of, which is something that ChatGPT can do, and Google Gemini, of course, definitely can do that one. So here you have general. Let's say you just want to do a general research. You're going to use this and then it's going to output the result for you. But if you want it in a document, if you want to do an intensive research on a particular topic, all you have to do is to use this document and it's going to do the research. Now, the difference between this and the other AI tools that give you generic answers without any reference is that this one gives you amazing reference points. So if you're writing a project or you're doing a serious research work, you get all your references from this tool. Now, how cool is this? And again, it's going to generate slides for you. Now, if you want to generate slides right away, you can just go ahead and generate slides with just one prompt, or you can transfer your documents to a slide. It can do that for you in matter of minutes. And here is Sheets. It can also analyze Sheets. That's why I said that AI is here to stay. Now, a lot of people rumor that AI is going to take a lot of jobs, which is partly true, but guess the people that are not going to lose their job? The people that know how to use AI tools, because companies will rather retain or hire people that know how to use AI to do the work of 100 people than hire 100 people to do the actual work. So you see, you're at an advantage if you watch this video to the end, so you can learn how to use this AI agent to your advantage. Now, it can put your research work in a sheet format, and all these things that is generating for you, you can easily edit it. So I'm going to walk you through it, just don't bother. Now, everybody knows how difficult and stressful that it is to design a website. Now, with this tool, with one single prompt, you can design a full-blown website in less than 2 minutes using just one single prompt. And the one that is mind-blowing, that is far better than any other platform you can ever think of, is the fact that you can make edits on the website. You can change anything, you can collect money, you can do a lot of things with the website. This is incredible. And then you have podcasts. Come on. It can turn your documents or your research work into a complete podcast that you can use to make money. You can upload the podcast on YouTube, you can upload the podcast on Apple Music, Spotify, and every other streaming platform. Now, imagine how much you're going to be making from all these streams. Now, how cool is this? So here is the YouTube. Now, this is one of my favorites because all you need to do, right? Get a YouTube link. In fact, I'm going to tell you what you're going to do by the end of this video with my video, this video that I'm making now, so that you can get the best out of it. I'm going to tell you something very interesting that you can do for this YouTube part. So I'm leaving the best for the last, so you better watch it till the end. So now all we have to do is to start out with the documents, okay? So I'm going to come over to documents and I'm going to give it a single prompt, simple single prompt. How AI is reshaping YouTube and what to expect by 2030. So now that I have this, what I'm going to do next is go ahead and send it. Now, what it's going to do is that it's going to scan the internet and research any work that has ever been posted on the internet about how AI will reshape YouTube or is reshaping YouTube. And then it's going to use all of that to come up with how it's going to be in 2030. So this is way better than the generic response that you get from other platforms, other AI generative platforms like ChatGPT and all of them. But this one does an intensive research adds resources for you and everything that you ever need for the work. Now, you're going to give it some time. You're going to give it a couple of moments to do the deep research, and it's going to give you amazing results, and it's going to put it in a document. Come on. It's going to put it in a document for you, and in just minutes, you're ready to go. And now you can see that it's done generating our document. It's done with the research. And when you go through this, you're going to be mind blown. You can see the document here, how it formatted everything. Think about the things you can do with this. You can offer these services on Upwork. You can offer these services on Fiverr and get paid to do these things. Do you know how much people charge for this kind of research that you can just do in 2 minutes? And it's 100% accurate, and also gives you a whole lot of references. Now, how cool is this? Now, that's not all. You can just simply go ahead and download this for free. So you can download this for free by simply clicking here or clicking this download button here to download it to your device. Now, it gives you a lot of options. You can download it as a document, you can download it as a PDF, and you can also download it as a HTML file completely for free. Now, how cool is this? And to do that, all you have to do is to click on download to download as a PDF or document or whatever that you want. And in no time, it's going to go ahead and download that to your device. And as you can see, it has downloaded to my device. And if I click this, now you can see the documents here. No watermark, nothing. Your complete document, your complete research is ready to use to submit anywhere that you want to submit it. Now, how cool is this? How AI is reshaping YouTube and what to expect by 2030. From content creation to viewer experience, an in-depth look at the AI-driven transformation of the world's largest video platform. Now, if you go through this, you can see how amazing and mind-blowing this research is. Now, how cool is this? Now here, let's say you want to convert this same document to a slide or a website or a podcast. All you have to do is to come right here and simply say, convert this to a website or convert this to a podcast, or you can simply say, convert this to a slideshow, and it's going to do just that in a matter of minutes. Now let's go ahead and try this one. Convert this to a website. So I'm going to go ahead and send it. Now, this is the one that I find very, very amazing, having to convert this document to a full-fledged website. Imagine if you're running a program, or if someone wants a website. Oh, I want a website now. And all you have to do is to charge them for Express, and then you can put the information here, and this website generates the website for you in a twinkle of an eye. Now, how cool is this? This is mind-blowing. In my wildest dreams, never would I have imagined that we'll get to a point where we can use just simple prompts to design a website. Now, it has given me a response. You can see your request has been received. Skywork is organizing the information to provide a comprehensive and accurate answer. So here you can see that it's asking us to generate the website. So if I click on generate now, it's going to then go ahead and generate our website. Now, how cool is this? And here you can see that it's done generating our website, and it looks amazing. So here I'm going to go ahead and open it in a new tab, and here you can see the website is ready and it looks amazing. Now, how cool is this? Now, this is something that will take you days, weeks, even months to come up with, having to do all the programming or having to do all of that, and you will not still get something close to this. Come on. Now, this is amazing. You can see here how AI is reshaping YouTube. Discover the transformative impact of artificial intelligence on the world's largest video platform, and what creators, viewers, and businesses can expect by 2030. How cool is this? Now you can go ahead and go through the website, and you can even click on download full report to download that document that we generated earlier. Now, how cool is this? And I know you have a question in your mind, and that is, can this be edited? Yes. Let me show you how. Now, if you come back here, all you have to do is to click on edit, and then it's open for editing. You can change the image, you can do any single thing that you want. Now, this is something that has never been done before, and I said I must bring it to you before it blows up. Now, again, what we can do next is to come right here and ask it to convert this to a podcast. Very simple prompt, and I'm going to send it and let it convert the entire document to a podcast for us. Now, how cool is this? Now, I promised that I was going to share something amazing with you, and that is with YouTube Vibes. Now, if you want to convert any YouTube video to document, website, slides, sheets, you can simply take the link of that particular YouTube video and paste it right here and go ahead and send it, and it's going to convert the YouTube video to a podcast, document, slides, and even a web page. Now, how cool is this? Now, here's the exciting part that I have for you. You have my full permission to convert this my video to a podcast, slides, sheets, and even documents for proper understanding and reference. Now, all you have to do is to copy the link to this video and then come right here. It's totally free to sign up. You get 500 credits, so you don't have anything to lose. So if you come right here and then paste the link, you can be able to generate a web page, slides, sheets, documents, and even a podcast that you can use to make money for yourself using my video. You have my full permission to do this, and this will also help you understand this video better. When you're trying out the things that I've taught you in this video, you can simply look at the documents and see it step by step, and you can also see the web page and of course the podcast. You get to listen to it on your way to work or while trying it out. Now, how cool is this? And again, if you run out of credit for any reason, just like me right now, all you have to do is to click on upgrade, and it's going to bring you here. And here you have $14.99 per month, and it's going to give you 7,000 credits. You can see all the things you can get with 7,000 credits. And let's say you don't have a budget yet, you just want to try it out. Listen to what they are giving to you. And 500 login credits daily during the first month of registration, valid for 1 day. So you have to exhaust the 500. That is why I said you should try this out with my videos. You can do it with multiple of my videos. So just go ahead, copy the link, come to this platform, paste the link, and you can generate documents, podcasts, and everything that you can use to make money for yourself. And again, you can also, when the first 1 month is gone, you can also get, from second month, you can get 500 login credits every week, and it's valid for 7 days. Now, how cool is this? Now, this is amazing. Go ahead and try it and let me know what you think. And if you're looking to learn how you can create kids animation and make money on YouTube running a faceless YouTube channel, that is YouTube automation, all you have to do is to click right here to watch a full tutorial on how you can use one prompt to generate a complete kids animated video that is ready to go viral on YouTube, so they can start making money from the comfort of your home. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.